Today we are going to learn an easy way to remember the note names in the bass clef. So if you are a bass instrument, or you play a cello or a bass, or you just want to brush up on your bass clef knowledge, this is the video for you. So let's get started. Before we go any further, I want you to memorize this. So I'll give you a second. You can even pause the video in order to remember this, but the first line I want you to remember is all children enjoy grapes. For that is going to be associated with spaces. This will make sense in just a minute. The other thing I want you to remember is good boys deserve fudge always. So I want you to remember these two sentences, and we'll go back to them in a second, because these two sentences are going to help you remember the note names on the bass clef staff. So we're over here. We can see our staff now. The first thing I would like you to do, if you go down in the description, you can print up one of these sheets, and you can do this along with me. I want you to draw in a bass clef sign. So we've got a little dot, half a heart almost, and then two dots which go around the second line from the top. So now I just want you to fill in the line or the notes on each space starting in the bottom. So we have one here. So we're putting it in each space on this staff. Good. So on these notes, above each note, I want you to write these letters: A, C, E, and G. So each one of those note names corresponds to the note below it. Good. So this is from our first sentence I had you memorize, which was all children enjoy grapes. So we have all children enjoy grapes. So that is to help you remember the notes that are on the spaces. Oops. Spaces. So we have all children enjoy grapes. A, C, E, G. And that just has to do with the note on the first space, the second space, the third space, and the fourth space. So then let's go down to the bottom line, and let's make another, the bottom staff, and make another bass clef. So now we're going to talk about the lines. So if we start on the left, on the bottom, just like we did the other, and we'll put a note there, and then skip to the next line, and go up to every single line. And if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and catch up. Now above each one of these notes, we're going to write another letter. So we have, you can probably guess this, G, B, D, F, and A. And once again, these letters correspond to the notes that I wrote below them. And this stands for good boys deserve fudge always. So this one corresponds to the notes on the lines. So we're always going to start to the left and on the bottom. So we have the first line down here, second, third, fourth, fifth line. Good boys deserve fudge always. And all children enjoy grapes. So those two sentences will hopefully help you memorize the notes that are right in and on the staff.